Have you ever woken up in the middle of the night, with the room completely silent, but your heart making more noise than the whole world? It's in that moment, when everyone sleeps, that the secrets we try to hide come to visit us. Unresolved. Wounds, words that hurt us. Guilt that no one sees. Things we hide even from ourselves, But they remain there, like a dull ache. Like an emotional fever, It's like a garden that looks beautiful on the outside. But beneath the soil, there are dry roots, hidden wounds, and seeds that never sprouted. God knows this garden. And today, He wants to do something only He can do. Heal what you hide. The truth is, we all hide things. Sometimes it's not out of malice. It's for self-protection. The pain was so strong, we buried it. The shame was so great, we hid it. The sin was so heavy. We pretended it wasn't there, but what we hide traps us. And what isn't dealt with makes us sick inside. God doesn't want to expose you to shame you. He wants to reveal the pain, to heal it. He doesn't want you to live hidden behind a mask. He wants you to live free, with a clean heart, restored, alive. In Psalm 147:3, the Bible says, He heals the brokenhearted and binds up their wounds. God isn't put off by your broken heart. On the contrary, it's there that He acts with the most tenderness. He doesn't heal perfect hearts. He heals the broken ones. In Proverbs 28:13, it is written, Whoever conceals their sins will not prosper, but the one who confesses and renounces them finds mercy. While we hide, we are paralyzed. But when we place them in God's hands, we find mercy. And in 2 Corinthians 12:9, Paul heard from the Lord Himself, My grace is sufficient for you, for my power is made perfect in weakness. God doesn't need your strength. He only needs your sincere yes, even with tears in your eyes. It is in your weakness that His power is revealed. Today, God is calling you to open the door to that dark room, that place inside you that you never wanted to show anyone. He won't force you, but if you open it, He will come in, sit by your side, and begin to heal with hands of love. You don't need to hide anymore. You don't need to pretend anymore. You don't need to fight alone. God has already seen everything, and even so, He loves you like a patient gardener. He is there, carefully digging, pulling out what hurts and planting what heals. Let Him in. Let Him heal. And one day, this garden, once hidden by fear, will blossom as a testament that nothing is stronger than God's love. Final prayer. Lord, I surrender everything I have hidden. My pains, my failures, my wounds. Enter my garden and heal what only You know is hurting. I no longer want to hide. I want to live in freedom. With You. Amen. If you felt God speak to you in this video, share it with someone else who also needs to be healed within. And remember, nothing hidden from human eyes is hidden from God's love.